everyone, here at Powercurve Performance on a, what day is it? Monday? Tuesday night. Tuesday night. Pat and Emma are helping me out with a little hack that I discovered on the weekend for the 200 series. So, on this little black platform here is normally where I do my camping. And anyone that has a Landcruiser knows that they have no lights back here. That light up there is about as bright as a candle from 20 meters away. So, the plan is to get rid of this gigantic, goofy fluorescent light that I normally use and install this little beauty that was like 19 bucks. It's a bargain. We're gonna throw that up there really quickly, put a switch over on the side of the car so I can turn it on and off, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Easy?
Easy, easy, easy as.
So a quick reason why I've decided to go with this light over what other people are doing, which is a lot of other people just get 12 volt downlights and put them up in there. And I've also seen some people get some like cheap LED strip from eBay and throw it up in there. The reason I decided to go with this is really because the LED strip and the 12 volt downlights aren't designed to be put in the back of a 4 drive and have stuff bashing against them and be bouncing around their entire life. They're designed to go in like a kitchen cupboard at home. Whereas this little sucker is actually designed to go underneath your car for like rock crawling and stuff at night, so it can handle like water and impacts and all that kind of stuff. So I'm hoping that this will last for quite a long time in the back of the car, especially when we're going over corrugations and when I'm just throwing stuff in the back of the car and it's bouncing around on the tracks. So hopefully it should work out alright. Ready to go?
Ready to go.
Looks good, huh?
We'll put some power to this little bad boy and see what happens.
See how bright it is up there.
Should have come out as a feature. Probably fine. You can buy that from Toyota.
That's probably what that little
It's like a
thing there is.
$5,000 upgrade.
Yeah,
It's like a
right.
clock in a 79.
This is the cool wiring that we pulled out, and if you have a look, that's the kind of crap that was in there before. So it's all now nicely replaced. Ready?
Ta-da!
Man, how awesome is that?
That's pretty cool.
That's so much extra light, hey?
Doesn't get hot.
Doesn't get hot?
Me.
Perfect. Thank you, guys. So that's it. We're all done and dusted. Pat did a great job. Thanks, Pat and Emma, for staying back and getting that done for me. I'm really excited to go out and test it this weekend, hopefully, and see how good it is at night. I'm sure it'll be fantastic. Just so you guys know, it doesn't cost much money at all. It's great to bring in your car to someone like Powercurve Performance and get that done. It was awesome that we were able to find a bit of wiring that wasn't really that good from a previous person who I won't name, who did some work on the car, so we were able to fix that up at the same time, and Pat was really good to sort that out for me very, very quickly. So thank you again. Can't wait to test it out this weekend.